Helo, mae cyfnod ni fel swyddogion wedi dod i ben yma yn Aberystwyth, ond sy'n hoffi diolch yn rhannu a rhan pawb am y gefnogaeth ni wedi derbyn yn ystod y flwyddyn. Bod i wedi dod i ben fel hyn, a ddim y ffordd byddwn ni wedi mwynhau iddo, da ni wedi cael lot o atgofion a dwi'n gobeithio bod chi hefyd yn gallu edrych nôl ar yr holl atgofion melys. Fy hoff atgof i'n bersonol oedd cynnal yr Eisteddfod rhyngol yn Aberystwyth. Oedd hi'n steddfod lwyddiannus iawn, a gobeithio fydd hi'n gallu cael ei chynnal eto blwyddyn nesaf. Diolch yn fawr i chi.
I know this year has been difficult for many of our students, but it's important to remember the positive things we've been able to achieve throughout the year. For me, securing funding for Black History Month and BAME events throughout the year is a real highlight. And I'd like to thank all of our students for supporting this officer team and everything we've been doing throughout the year.
My highlight of the year was our divestment protest and the university committing to divesting from fossil fuels.
Hello everyone. So definitely the highlight for the year for me was creating Aber Challenge for the first time, and I hope to do it again next year. And Super Teams, that was a lot of fun and definitely one of the most challenging things I've done so far in my career. So yeah, thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you next year.
Hey everyone, so my highlight for the year was 100% the Purple Post project. Seeing so many leaders get involved in local and international politics was absolutely amazing, and being able to take your signatures to Brussels and back is really empowering to me, and I can't thank you enough for your support and getting me here. As an officer team of 5, we know that this year hasn't quite ended how you'd want it, and it hasn't ended too great for us either. But this year has still been an amazing one, and we can't thank you enough for everything you've done to make it a great year. So we're now encouraging you to comment below on this video your favourite highlight of the year, your best memories, going back before COVID started or even after COVID began. What was your favourite part of this year? We can't wait to see a lot of you back next year, and we hope you're safe and well. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.